this is Mama Four Boys, and we're going to take a look and see the flooding around this little area we're driving through. All these houses have a lot of ponding. Got a lot of rain and snow here. Some houses that we're going to show you they can't even get out of their driveway most of the time. So here's some there flooding. This home is always has a lot of water in their front yard. Fields flooded. All this area is all flooded. These homes here, I don't even think they can get out of their driveway. That is somebody's yard. That is not a pond. That's somebody's actual yard. There's a field. It's a field where they're going to grow corn or soybeans. This is somebody's field that they want to grow soybeans and corn in.
Tell them about the water last night.
Go ahead.
We came down this road last night, and these areas where you see the large puddling and the driveways that were underwater, there was water 6 to 10 inches deep rushing across the roadway to where
it was
we had to just creep through the water.
Here's a house someone's trying to build.
Here's another driveway
And look
over
at
on this
this.
side. The water was rushing across the road here. You couldn't even drive through the...
Look at this. These people are homebound because they can't get out.
Here's another one.
We could barely pass this home here last night.
Now we'll take you back by the creek on our way back around home, and we'll show you how high the creek is if we can get a shot of it.
This home up here. Show them the water up here.
Okay.
This here last night was unbelievable. This is not a pond we're driving past. This is somebody's property that's supposed to be dry.
areas, the driveway itself is going to be destroyed from the weather. Not this one, but coming up here, we're going to pass a driveway that dips down off of the road, and it's probably right now still under 2 feet of water.
I think we're expecting freezing temperatures today. Is that correct?
I think so.
This is somebody's field. This is not a body of water.
Here's the driveway out up here. That's this driveway with the split rail fence is still under a couple feet of water when you get down in it. They had to go through the ice to get out. Up on the now we're coming up on one of the bridges here, the creek. If you look to the right here, it is so high there, the water just way over its banks. We'll show you another bridge of the same creek. Okay, we're coming up here. If you look over here to the left, you can see the water down, farther down on there, and that water is so high that it's over its banks.
More fields that have a lot of water in them.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and God bless. We'll see you next time.